everyone, I'm really excited to be here to introduce the following features of our interactive flat panel Easy Note software to you. And now, I would like to introduce some basic functions of this software, that is writing and erasing. Here you can see is the interface of the software. I can now start writing randomly, just like how we do on the traditional whiteboard. Here we can use the select button and choose the word you would like to use, and then move it, zoom it, or rotate it randomly. So under this writing mode, we can adjust the sizes, types, and colors of the pen according to our personal preferences. Also, I would like to introduce our highlighter pen here. If we highlight the content we would like to emphasize, it will shine 4 times before it disappears. And if we are not good at handwriting, we can also use the function here, and we can write randomly on the whiteboard. Then it will automatically transfer it into the standardized font. Also, if we make some mistakes on the writing, we can use the eraser function. Here we can use the back of our hand, or choose the content we would like to erase. Then, if we found the page is full and we would like to clean it, we can also use the 1P to clean function. Then the page will be cleaned. Now I would like to introduce the second part of the functions here, that is drawing and drawing. So, frequently in the mathematical classes, we may need to draw geometric figures, and this action can be achieved via this method. Now let's draw a triangle, for example. As we can see, it will be automatically recognized as a standard one. What's more, we can add an inner circle and circumcircle on it, and choose different shapes, colors, and sizes. If you want to copy and mirror this figure, we can press here. Besides drawing shapes, we may need to draw auxiliary lines. Press here. And you can see there is a follow by magnifying lens here that can help you locate the lines. Teachers will no longer worry about the accuracy and inconvenience of drawing geometric figures. Now we find the board is full. What we can do is to press the Add button here to add another board so that we can infinitely extend the contents. If you are afraid of losing the contents right down below, we can press the roaming here, and then continue writing the other part of the board. So this is the end of the second section. Did you get it? So besides the basic functions in the whiteboard, we also provide you with some other useful tools. Here is our treasure box. I will specifically introduce 3 of them. The first one I would like to introduce is the spotlight. With spotlight, we can focus on certain parts of the content so that the student's attention will be fully engaged. If you are worrying that the students in the backward couldn't see the word clearly, we can also help you with the magnifier. Here, we can magnify the words or characters that we would like to emphasize. So what's more, there are still other functions of this software. We have created some tools according to the demands of different subjects. For example, chemical class. Take the chemical class as an example. We have designed multiple virtual chemical apparatus to simulate chemical experience steps. Next, I will do a simple experiment on this board. I have already dragged a beaker and same to the board. Now I will adjust the volume of the liquid. Then pour the chemical liquid from the beaker to the sink. With this function, your chemistry class would be much more entertaining and interactive. Now let's move to the last session of this product introduction. In terms of external resources, we can combine easy notes featured functions with multimedia resources to improve our teaching efficiency. So here, we can press the resource button. And then we can have a preview of the contents in PC and Unix. Now let's take a PowerPoint file, for example. We just need to import the PowerPoint file and directly choose the file. And then apply it to the analysis mode to achieve annotation function. Here, I will make some annotations on this PowerPoint. However, unlike PowerPoint, we have made some optimization for the display. In order to prevent unintentional touch, which results in turning pages, we have designed the page up and down button on the right side of the interface, here. And the annotations we wrote won't disappear, even though we turn to other pages. They are still there. Furthermore, you can use the inner board tool in Box. So that we can extend our writing without limit. That's the end of our product introduction. Thanks for watching.